welcome to Port Macquarie. The city is known for its beaches, wildlife and sailboats.
Port Macquarie is located 390 kilometers north from Sydney on the east coast of Australia, in the state of New South Wales. It's a beautiful coastal destination with a population of 46,000 people. A lot of people come here for vacation. The water has an incredible blue color and the sand beaches are very soft.
Behind me we have the famous town beach, which is one of about 10 beaches stretching along the landscape that way.
I have been traveling up the east coast of Australia in a van.
Just around the corner from Town Beach we have Oxley Beach.
After driving up to Port Macquarie, I was now really excited to jump in the water.
Made it around the corner and here we have another astonishing view of the landscape. To go for a swim here, just gotta go down here and then I'm gonna jump in.
The cliff formations in Port Macquarie are really astonishing, and there are so many beaches along the coast. If you go to one beach, chances are that you will have it to yourself.
Just had a sandwich in the back of my van. Life is actually pretty good. I think it's important to appreciate the little things in life. Not everybody has the possibility to drink water. In Africa, for example, they can't even have clean water. But here you can get it for free anywhere.
I have been sleeping in my van and I was now getting ready to drive another 150 kilometers up to Coffs Harbour.
Gonna fill up some gas again. Gas costs about $1.40 here in Australia. $49 for 31 liters. Okay, I'm on the highway now, but I am not trusting my van at all. I'm expecting it to break down actually pretty soon. We are at 100 kilometers left to Coffs Harbour and 500 kilometers left to Brisbane. Talk to me like lovers do. 42 kilometers left to Coffs Harbour. Behind me you can see a lot of houses located up in the mountains. And further back you can see the Great Dividing Range, which is a mountain range that stretches from the south to the north of Australia along the east coast. Now I'm on my way up the Macquarie Island to see the most incredible view of Coffs Harbour.
Coffs Harbour is a city on the north coast of the state of New South Wales. It's known for its beaches and boat marina. It's also home to abundant wildlife such as birds and seasonal whales. Macquarie Island is also home to the wedge-tailed shearwater bird.
Here we have all the sailboats in the background. That's gonna be my next mission. Sail out from Florida out to the Caribbean. I'm on my way to Byron Bay, one of the most famous places in all of Australia for surfing. I just stopped at the gas station, had to get some more gas, and I also got a Red Bull. 216 kilometers to Byron Bay. So I'm driving about 80 kilometers per hour and so many people just drive by and honk and they're just really upset because I'm going a little bit below the speed limit. I just don't understand why people are so stressed. Did you know that most heart attacks take place on Monday morning at 9 a.m.? Is that a coincidence? No, I don't think so. People stress out. They worry too much about the future and they forget to live in the moment.
I had driven another 240 kilometers and now I was coming up to the famous town, Byron Bay.
Here I am, coming up to Byron Bay. It's starting to look really nice here. I really like the landscape.
I parked my van on the side of the road and the view of the mountains in Byron Bay was really astonishing. Byron Bay is a beachside town located in the far northeast corner of the state of New South Wales, and it's the most eastern point of Australia.
I just got here to Byron Bay, but I think I'm gonna go to a hostel tonight because I want to meet some people.
I had now made it to downtown Byron Bay. The city is also known for surfing and for having a lot of backpackers.
To the hostel. There's an American guy here. Jonathan, Vicky. We are waking up tomorrow at 4:30 for a hike, right?
We are indeed. Well, I'm going to bed.
Me too. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.